I'm really excited for this latest issue of Rebrand, our monthly roundup of insights, advice, tips, and tricks for building remarkable brands. In this issue, we take a deep dive into brand values. What are they? How they can help you grow your position in the market and effectively tell your story to potential customers. In the first article, I take a look at examples of great brand values, like Southwest Airlines, and our own experience helping brands develop their values to uncover two major missteps that a lot of companies make that keep them from uncovering and effectively using their authentic brand values. Then Chris Stadler, our operations manager, digs into the nitty-gritty of how to develop your brand values using our unique process. And finally, Sam Pagel brings it all home with a look at several examples and case studies of brands putting their values into action in their marketing and creative assets. And of course, we've got some great other case studies, examples, fun tips and tricks in the newsletter as well. You don't want to miss it. Get signed up on our website at resoundcreative.com/newsletter. And don't forget, you are remarkable.